guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101. So if you're working with a small home or an open concept space, or you just love multifunctional design, today's video might be for you. We're talking about living room and dining room combos. We're gonna discuss why they work and how to make them look intentional. Of course, some key pros and cons, so let's get started. So let me start off by saying, I know that a lot of people on this channel don't really prefer the open concept look in a home. You know, it's been really popular for like maybe the last 10 years. I think we've had a discussion about that on a previous video. However, a lot of homes are being built in this style, so sometimes it's something that you don't really have control over. So let's talk about why choose a living room and dining room combo. So a living room and dining room combo is perfect for maximizing your space, creating a really seamless flow between areas and making small homes feel bigger because you don't have so many walls that are separating spaces and rooms. It also makes it more functional. So whether you're in an apartment, a townhome, or a house with an open floor plan, this design allows you to make the most of every square foot. Plus, if you love entertaining, having a combined space makes it easy to host guests without feeling cramped or like you're on top of each other. So let's break it down. What are the benefits of a living room and dining room combo? Well, let's talk about the pros first. Number one, like I stated, it maximizes the space. You can have one larger room that you can use as a living room and a dining room, and it's going to give you that big space. If you have people over, you can stack the chairs in there. You just have more room to work, as opposed to having two really small rooms. This layout eliminates unnecessary walls and gives your home an open, airy feel. You're also going to have better traffic flow. Without walls cutting off each room, people can move around easily. You can move furniture in and out of different rooms or large boxes, packages, whatever, and you have the space to do that. You're also going to have more light. An open floor plan lets a lot of natural light bounce throughout the space, making it feel bigger and brighter. And of course, lastly, you're going to have a flexible layout. You can change the setup as needed, whether you want a large dining table for holidays or more lounge space for everyday use. But what about the downsides? Let's go ahead and talk about some of the cons. Number one would be a lack of privacy. If you love having a separate dining experience, this layout may not give you the distinction that you want. And here's what I mean by that. So if your dining area or your dining room is also open to your kitchen, that means the same room that you're entertaining people in, which is your living room, you're also basically cooking in. So that's going to be a lot of cooking smells and food smells that kind of infiltrating that area. And some people, when they're cooking or hosting people, they don't have time to clean the kitchen. And when someone is stepping into your home, they're basically seeing all of your business. Also, a lot of people state some decor challenges. It can be tricky to design a space that feels cohesive without one area overpowering the other. Because if you have a modern type kitchen, let's say with red decor, you kind of are tied into having a reddish dining room and a reddish living room, just so everything flows together. Then also there's the potential for clutter. With two functions in one room, things can get a little messy fast if you don't have really good organization skills. So let's talk about some design tips for a cohesive look. So if you have the combo dining room, living room in your home, it could be something that you actually wanted, or it could be something that you just kind of inherited. Here's how to make it feel stylish and functional. So the first step would be, I think, to define each area with a rug. Put a rug in your living room, a rug under your dining table. That way you can create visual separation without needing walls, because you won't have the walls. Also choose a unified color palette. With open floor plans being so popular, there is a reason that everything kind of went to this neutral color scheme that some of us love and some of us hate, like the millennial gray. I know some of you are so sick of that, but there is a reason that a lot of home designers are doing that, and it's just because basically it's one large room. So it's hard to get different colors in there without it looking too cluttered, too maximalist. So stick to a cohesive color scheme so that the space feels intentional and that you created it on purpose. Like I said, think neutral tones with pops of color or warm earth tones for a really cozy feel. Also, use multifunctional furniture. Consider an expanding dining table or purchasing a dining table that comes with the leaves that you can slide in there when you need it, but when you don't have that many people, you can just stack them in a closet or a garage. So also a storage bench or something you can open and place items, or a sideboard that doubles as a bar cart. Also, there's some strategic lighting. A statement chandelier over the dining table and a stylish floor lamp in the living room are going to help define each space along with those rugs. And of course, you can always use floating shelves and vertical storage. So when space is tight, go up. Wall-mounted shelves keeps things really organized without taking up that valuable floor space. So a living room and dining room combo is an amazing way to maximize functionality and style in your home. Whether you love a cozy farmhouse feel, a sleek modern look, or a boho vibe, this setup can work just fine for you. Just remember, define your spaces, keep things organized, and of course make it your own. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home decor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, whether you have an open concept home, a closed concept, if your dining room and your living room are one big room, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a spirit of gratitude. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.
You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.